Hey you all, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be another chill video. I wanted to do a quick haul. I did go to the beauty supply store. I have not did a beauty supply store haul in a minute, so I decided to go to Sam's Beauty today because I needed to get a few things. I didn't do a lot of damage. I look like I don't have no hair. A little bun back here, y'all. Hold on. So I picked up some press-on nails. I did not need any more, but I've been having my eye on this particular style right here, and I have these in my cart on Ulta's website. So I seen them at the beauty supply store and I just picked them up. Yeah, so these nails are like that coffin shape, but they're short. So yeah, I wanted these nails, and then I just picked up a regular black pair of nails. I think I'm going to wear these nails this upcoming weekend, so I think that's what I'm going to do. So I just picked this up just in case if I'm going to wear them with my outfit that I'm wearing. I went ahead and picked up the Nicka K Jumbo Fan Brush, and I felt like this would be a good brush to apply like bronzer, like around my forehead. And so it's like a nice fluffy brush, so I thought it'd be cool for, like, I don't know, bronzer or something. So I'll figure it out, but I just like the way it looked. And then I picked up the Nicka K Angled Buffer Brush, and I don't have this one. I have the foundation brush, I believe. So I'm excited to use this and see how it works on foundation. I don't think I got this, but I like how short the bristles are, and this is going to be good with putting on foundation. It might take a while, but yeah, I feel like it'd be good to put on foundation. So I got these two brushes and can't wait to try those. So I picked up a setting spray. I did not need this because I got plenty, but when I seen this setting spray, I'm like, this is like a, well, I don't know if it's going to be a dupe, but this is from Magic Collection, and the first thing I thought about was the Morphe Continuing Setting Mist. This is from Magic Collection. If you haven't heard of Magic Collection, I recommend to go on their website. I do have several of their palettes. I have used them before in videos, and yeah, their quality is, you know, up there with Nicka K. I like their makeup as well. This is their 2-in-1 Micro Fine Mist Primer and Setting Spray, and I can't wait to try this on my face. And I'm going to actually open it right now because I want to see what it smells like, and I want to see if it comes out like Morphe setting spray. And I don't know how much this was. Let me see. This was $7.99. Okay, so here's the top. Oh, it doesn't have a smell, but it comes out just like the Morphe setting spray. Ooh, and it feels good too. It feels nice and tacky. Okay, so maybe I gotta do like a comparison, like spray my face with like one side with the setting spray, and then the other side with the Morphe Magic Collection and Morphe. So maybe I'll do that in a video. One brand that I am on the lookout for is Beauty Creations. I have tried things from them before. I have a few things in my collection from them, but I can tell like they did a whole revamp, and I'm just here for it. So this, I think this is the eyeliner. They had like different colors, and the yellow one just really spoke to me. This color is called Limelight, and it don't have like a name, so I guess it's called Bright. Oh, Dare to Be Bright. So that's what it's called. It had different colors. I just went ahead and got this yellow one. Oh, it smells like bananas. Yeah, it smells like bananas. It smells like something yellow. I don't know if all of them are scented, but I don't know. I could be tweaking, but I mean, that doesn't look bad. So I picked that up. I know I got one more color. I went ahead and got a nude eyeliner as well because I want to start putting nude, like a nude eyeliner on my waterline, because I think that's cute with like a soft glam look. like an everyday nude look. So this one is called Tiptoe. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch. Okay, this one is nice and creamy. It's not too creamy, but I can tell it won't like tug. So that's a nice nude. It's actually kind of pigmented. Okay, so that's gonna look cute underneath, you know, in my waterline. So I can't wait to try these eyeliners, and if I like them, I'm gonna go ahead and get some more colors. So I did pick up some lip liners. The first one I picked up is from, I should have opened this stuff to save time, but this one is from LA Girl, right? Yeah, LA Girl. And this is from their Shockwave collection. They have like some really cute colors. This is their nude lip liners. I don't think I ever seen the nude. I don't think I've seen these before. This is in the color Chai Latte. And it's like a brown color. Ooh, really nice and deep. That kind of remind me of the NYX Line Loud lip liners, which are really, really good. This is really nice and creamy. I should have got another one. And they had a lot of makeup from the brand She Makeup. This is the brand I'm referring to, She Makeup. And I see this brand a lot on Amazon. And they had a lot of makeup. They had like eyeshadow palettes. They had primers. They had a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna have to go back. But this is a waterproof eye and lip pencil in the color Espresso. Another brown. This is a wooden pencil. I prefer wooden because I don't mind sharpening. This is dark. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Perfect for fall. And then this one is Chestnut. I got Chestnut. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay. So this one is Chestnut. So yeah, this Chestnut is the Chestnut. I feel like it's more warm than Espresso, but it's still a pretty shade. So I'm excited about those lip liners. How much were those? They were $1. So okay. So I got those for lip liners. Then I picked up some lipsticks. So oh, hold on. I got 3 lipsticks. I picked up these lipsticks from Ruby Kisses. I got purple shades, and that's what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to be doing makeup Saturday. And then I got this color. This is for me. I could actually swatch this. But this is the Ruby Kisses lipstick in the color Ebony. And I just thought that this color was so nice and dark. Let me swatch that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I wish it was matte. I don't know if they have these in like mattifying formulas, but that is black. Not black, but it's dark. It's really dark. And then this one is grape purple. So yeah, the person, I'm doing somebody's makeup, they want gold and purple, so I don't know if I'm gonna do like a purple lip or whatever, so I just got this just in case. Or if I might line their lips with purple, so I don't know. So from Beauty Creations, I picked up this color base primer. This is in the same color Limelight, and yeah, this is like, you know, as a base for your bright eyeshadows. They had different colors, and I only got the yellow because I just wanted to try it out. So I'm excited. So this is what it looks like. So let's see. So it looks very like a pastel, like a light yellow. So I picked up some lip glosses from Ruby Kisses, and I have these glosses. This is their Butter Bomb gloss. I did a lip swatch video on these glosses. I don't have every single last one of them, but I have quite a few. I don't have these shades. I don't think I do. And these are like dupes for the Butter Gloss from NYX, and these are really good. I do like these. So once again, I should have took the plastic off. Okay, so this color I have right here reminded me of Marshmallow from NYX, which is one of my favorite NYX butter glosses. I don't think I have this one, but this is in the color Wifey. It's like a lilac purple color. Oh yeah, this is definitely like a dupe for that Marshmallow color from NYX. Yeah, really nice and pigmented, so I'm excited about that. And then this one I'm excited for. This is in the color Like a Virgin. I don't think I have this. I need to just go through my inventory and make sure. Okay, so this is a nice pinky, like a milky pinky color. Oh yeah, I don't think I have this one. Oh, I like this baby milky pink color. It looks really white on camera, but it's like a really nice soft baby pink. It's really, really cute. So, and it's just cute and girly, like the packaging. And then the last shade that I have, this one is called White to Lie, and I know I don't have this, and I don't know how I missed this, and this must have been out of stock when these first came out. This is like a nude beigey lip gloss. Like, I'm here for this color. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh yeah, I gotta give me another one of these. And these are so like pigmented as I'm swatching it. It's this color right here. I did get some glosses from Beauty Creations. I opened these already. So this is their Ultra Dazzle lip gloss. This one is Hot Shot, this shade right here. And I think this is the pretty like glittered shade that I picked up. And I love their packaging. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is so pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch this. I didn't swatch none of this stuff in the store. Ooh. Pigmented. Look at that. Now I should have picked up the other ones. How much were these? These were $4.99. So okay, and then this one is Foxy, a nice nude shade. This one is Foxy. I do wish they would, I don't know if I like this color. It looked better. The color on the packaging doesn't match up with this. Just a heads up. I don't think I like that shade. I don't think I like that one. I do wish that these were sheer glosses. They look sheer to me. That's why I was so excited. I don't want that much pigment. But this one is Status. This one is called Status. And let's see what this looks like. It's like a really nice nude pinky shade. So yeah, I just thought this was going to be a little bit more sheer. Now this one is sheer, so maybe all of them are different. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. This color right here. Yeah, so this one right here, Status, I like that. And then the last two items that I got were bronzers, and one of them I meant to put back. So upset. So I got two bronzers from Absolute New York. So the color that I got is tan. I doubt that I can, I don't know, I probably can wear this. Let's see. I'm gonna swatch it right here. My hand is still wet. Okay, I probably can wear that. Okay, so that one is like an everyday bronzer. Now when I was swatching this in the store, it wasn't like swatching too well, so I'm like, how would that work on my face? Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. This one is in the shade Dark, so I'm pretty sure I can wear this one. Swatch this one. So this is tan and this is dark. So they don't look that bad. So that is pretty much everything that I got from Sam's Beauty. I didn't get a lot. Next time I go, I want to do like a massive haul because they had a lot of stuff. And they had a few things that I wanted that was out of stock. I wanted the new Absolute New York lip glosses. But I hope you guys enjoyed this here video. And make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. And stay tuned for some more beauty supply store videos. I want to get back in the swing of going back to the beauty supply store because I love that place. I love affordable makeup that does the job like anything else. So yeah, but anyways, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys comment down below, thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.